Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably looking to part ways with Zillow in 2025, maybe because you're switching apps, decluttering your digital life, or just taking a break from house hunting. Don't worry, I'm going to walk you through the entire process step by step. It's quick, straightforward, and I'll make sure you don't miss a thing. Let's dive right in. First off, make sure you're logged into your Zillow account. I recommend using the website for this, as it's usually easier than the app. Head to Zillow.com and enter your email and password to sign in. Once you're in, look for your profile icon or picture in the top right corner of the screen. Click on that, and it should drop down a menu. From there, select Account Settings or something similar. Zillow might have tweaked their interface by 2025, but it's typically under Settings or Profile Options. Now, in the Account Settings page, scroll down until you find a section labeled Account Management, Privacy, or Delete Account. This is where the magic happens. Click on the Delete Account button. Zillow will likely prompt you to confirm your identity, so you'll need to re-enter your password for security reasons. Next, you might see a screen asking why you're leaving. It's optional, but providing feedback can help improve their service. After that, hit the Confirm button to proceed. Keep in mind that once you do this, your account and any associated data, like saved searches or favorite listings, could be permanently deleted. It's a good idea to back up anything important first. Finally, after confirmation, Zillow will process the request, which might take a day or two. You'll probably get an email confirmation, so keep an eye on your inbox. If you change your mind, check for any recovery options right away, as they might not last long. And that's it. Deleting your Zillow account doesn't have to be complicated. If this tutorial helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more how-to guides, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.